Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Canicas Para Jugar is probably one of the most classic and timeless toys that has entertained children and adults for generations, offering a simple yet endlessly engaging way to enjoy some friendly competition or simply relax and enjoy the satisfying click-clack of the marbles as they collide. In this video, we will explore the world of Canicas Para Jugar, examining various types, sizes, materials, and designs to help you find the perfect set for your needs and preferences, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. Number 5. Marble Genius Marble Run. It has 150 pieces, including translucent building pieces and glass marbles. Watch the marbles race through your custom-built maze for hours of excitement. This is a great gift for kids and adults. It encourages creativity and problem-solving skills while providing hours of fun. The durable materials ensure long-lasting entertainment. It's easy for kids to use, with kid-friendly connectors. Yet, it's challenging enough to keep adults engaged. There are various sets to choose from for all skill levels. Download the Marble Genius app for step-by-step instructions, fun challenges, and regularly updated content. It's available on iOS and Android. It's compatible with other Marble Genius products, so you can build even bigger and more intricate marble runs. The possibilities for creative play are endless. What we like. This set offers a massive 150 pieces, including translucent ones that let you watch the marbles roll. An app provides step-by-step instructions and challenges, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced builders. If you are looking for a comprehensive and engaging marble run experience, this is the one for you. Number 4. POPLAY 50 PCS Marbles. Get ready for hours of fun with this amazing set. It includes 50 colorful marbles and a whistle, perfect for kids of all ages. These aren't just marbles, they're a gateway to endless games. Play classic marble games or create your own exciting challenges. Playing with these marbles helps develop important skills like hand-eye coordination and problem-solving. It's educational fun for everyone. Made from high-quality glass, these marbles are smooth, polished, and built to last. They're safe and fun for kids of all ages. Looking for a great gift? This set is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a classic toy that's always a hit. What we like. It's a great value with 50 colorful marbles and a whistle, suitable for various games. It promotes hand-eye coordination and logical thinking, making it a fun and educational choice for kids. If you need a versatile set for multiple marble games and want to encourage learning through play, this is ideal. What people say. The color selection is fantastic, with vibrant hues and unique swirls that make each marble feel special. Marbles, just as described. No issues. Good quality and color that I purchase for Marble Run. Number 3. Toysmith Neato Classics Marbles. Get ready for a blast from the past with these classic glass marbles. This tin is packed with 160 beautiful marbles in a variety of colors and sizes, perfect for hours of fun. Look at all the vibrant colors. They're so shiny and smooth, you'll love playing with them. Each one is unique and ready for your next marble game. These aren't just any marbles, they come in different sizes, adding an extra layer of fun to your games. It's like having your own little rainbow of treasures. The sturdy metal tin keeps all your marbles safe and organized. It's the ideal size for storage and makes a great gift, too. Marbles are a timeless game that kids of all ages love. It's a fun way to spend time alone or with friends, encouraging creativity and skill. These marbles are perfect for kids aged 5 and up. They're durable and safe for hours of fun, sparking imagination and friendly competition. What we like. This nostalgic set includes 160 classic marbles in a convenient tin. It's a timeless toy that's perfect for simple fun and provides hours of entertainment. If you are looking for a classic, simple marble set, this is a great option. What people say. Marbles are a classic toy, and they are useful. They're round and made of glass, as such they are just ordinary marbles. They have great colors and are all a bit different from one another. I recently picked up this set of 160 marbles in a tin box, and they instantly transported me back to my childhood. The marbles themselves are colorful and high quality, perfect for reliving those classic marble games. The tin box is a fantastic touch. It not only provides a convenient and secure way to store the marbles, but also adds a delightful retro vibe that takes me back to the good old days. All marbles intact. No damage. Beautiful colors as I required for Marble Run. Number 2. Marble Genius Glow Marbles. Watch them race. These motion-activated marbles flash brightly as they zoom through any marble run. Kids will be captivated for hours, even in the dark, thanks to their glow-in-the-dark feature. They light up. These unique marbles glow in the dark, adding extra excitement to playtime. Perfect for low-light adventures, they'll transform any room into a dazzling galaxy. So much more than ordinary marbles. They're durable, lightweight, and glow when activated by the included LED light. Perfect for kids and adults alike. These marbles are tough. The durable materials ensure smooth rolls through any track, tower, or elevator. They're designed for endless fun. Endless possibilities. They're compatible with all Marble Genius accessories and sets. Build bigger, better, and more exciting marble runs. What we like. These marbles glow in the dark, adding an extra layer of excitement to any marble run. They are compatible with other Marble Genius sets, expanding the possibilities for play. If you like unique and exciting features, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Super fun, transparent marble run set. Kid loved it with all the options, had plenty of action pieces and an overkill of connector stand pieces allowing for great heights and virtually unlimited options for a 4-year-old. The marbles were the best part. Glow-in-the-dark solid ones with glowing bits inside, and ones with batteries and lights. You can watch them the whole way through and the color transparency material gets lit up as they pass. UV little flashlight is included. Entertaining and captivating marble set. The Marble Genius Marble Glow Run racetrack has become an instant favorite in our household. My son is absolutely thrilled with this glowing track set. The vibrant colors and glow feature make it visually exciting, and the track's design allows for endless creative configurations. It's durable, easy to assemble, and provides hours of entertainment. Holy cow, is this thing huge! When it's all put together, the functionality and sturdiness of this behemoth is great. It's not going anywhere unless your kid knocks it down. All of the light-up marbles are battery-powered and unfortunately they were all DOA and didn't light up. Number 1. Marbles Cat's Eyes Glass Marbles. These aren't just ordinary marbles, they're beautiful, durable, and perfect for all sorts of fun. Get ready for hours of games and creative projects. With 500 vibrant marbles in this set, the possibilities are endless. Each one is unique and ready for your next adventure. They're made of 100% glass, ensuring they're long-lasting and safe for play. Their beautiful cat-eye design adds a touch of elegance. Use them for games, crafts, decorations, or even as unique garden accents. It's a versatile toy with many uses. Suitable for ages 6 and up, these marbles are fun for the whole family. They're also great for developing fine motor skills and creativity. These marbles are non-toxic and CPSIA compliant, so you can play with confidence. They're built to last, ensuring years of fun. From classic marble games to imaginative crafts, these marbles inspire endless possibilities. Let your creativity run wild. What we like. This massive set contains 500 cat-eye marbles, offering endless possibilities for games and crafts. They are durable and versatile, suitable for various uses beyond just games. If you need a large quantity of marbles for various purposes, this is the best option. What people say. Was a great value for what we needed. Like glass marbles, these are colorful, durable, fun, all sizes, great for me. The marbles are pretty bright colors, good size, and only one was chipped. I would definitely buy them again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.